do once in a blue moon to supersize your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and that looks nothing like the moon, but you get the idea. Once in a blue moon is our idiom, our expression for supersize your business today, and it is a term that's been around since the 1800s. It's actually been a thing longer than that, but they called it a blue moon since the 1800s. It means something that happens extremely rarely. Now, blue moon is a term that's used to describe the second full moon in a season. So winter, spring, summer, fall, where I live, or somebody accidentally, when there's 2 full moons in a calendar month, somebody misdefined that as a blue moon, so we call that a blue moon too. So rarely it happens only every 32 months that we'll get 2 full moons in the same calendar month, and we call that a blue moon. I like to celebrate them. I think it's fun. It's fun. The moon's beautiful. It's fun to go out and look at the moon. Sometimes we can see it, sometimes we can't because of fog or cloud cover. Now, the moon doesn't actually appear blue. It just is a term that was applied to it so that we could differentiate the 4th full moon in a season, and that was accidentally the 2nd full moon in a calendar month. And so every 32 months we get a blue moon, which means it's a pretty rare occurrence. Now, the question for you is, what happens rarely in your business that you can use to supersize and grow it? What can you do in your business to shake things up and supersize and grow it? I go in like a 3-year cycle, which is a little bit longer than 32 months, but actually I get that itch about 2.5 years, which I'm running into personally now, where I want to blow everything up and do something entirely new. Get involved in a different industry, get involved in a different business, get involved with different technologies. That's just my personal cycle of change. So every couple of months, in addition to our annual strategic planning and our breaking our goals down, our long range goals, our legacy goals, and our lifetime goals down into bits and pieces and smaller chunks so we can actually make sure we accomplish them, every couple of years, I actually like to take and blow everything up and reimagine and reevaluate everything that we're doing and ask a lot of tough questions about it. Is this the best way we can possibly be serving our customers? Are there things we could be doing? Could we add an event? And we just brainstorm out and we spend a couple of days figuring out all the different ways we can serve the people that we serve. And by doing that once in a blue moon, we don't do it every year. We do our strategic planning every year, but we blow things up every 3 years or so. At least I do in my businesses, to make sure that we're looking at changes and what's going on in our world. It's really easy to get complacent and just comfortable going along building our businesses and doing the same thing year in and year out. But in order to stay relevant, in order to stay competitive in this crazy changing world, we need to remember to reevaluate things, look at the numbers, look at what's working, what's not working, do more of what's working, and find even better ways to serve people. So curious, what do you do once in a blue moon to supersize and grow your business? Share in the comments below, and I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting time-related idiom that we can use to grow and build our business. Any questions, hit me up. Any idioms you'd like to know the meaning and the origin of, ask that as well in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Have an amazing day.